I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The afternoon, we lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The best we ever had, and we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
Bring water from the mountains or rivers to those places, the arid places, to oases. So it looks like this, okay? Those are the channels, so they make them with downfall, gravity, they bring them to the oases, they form grooves. But here is surface of the aquifer and underlying galleries and cut cones, then vertical shafts for aeration and maintenance. So normally those is for aeration and maintenance, because water, when it comes, it breaks with its clay and it needs to be cleaned from every while and then. So that's why they have vertical shafts. Here is the receiving pond outlet for Khtara, and those are the channels. So today we're going to see them. I'm going to show you a Khtara, then we're gonna go down to see them, how it looks like, that old system of drainage. You can take a picture of this.
What's the name of the place?
So here is called ERFOUD, this area.
ERFOUD.
Okay, ERFOUD, yeah. ERFOUD. This system, it used to be also in near to Marrakesh, but nowadays it's not working. You can take a picture. it serves to clean the area because it used to be full of clay. Because water would climb and go through those channels for kilometers and kilometers.
Wow.
Okay, this is what we call the foggaras system. Okay, not in Palestine. Okay,
Palestine.
because Israel, they just came and they occupied the territory.
But they are the ones who developed.
Yeah, well developed because Arabs, this is an Arabic system brought from Iraq. Okay, in every Arabian country you will find oasis. For example, we saw yesterday when we stopped to take some pictures. So they are fed with water of Khabbara, but there is a river. Here in this area, no river, but this is human made. Okay, and those holes with that stuff normally this serve to clean it from the clay. Okay, this is the idea. So that is human made, and this is a technique, an ancient technique. It has like 4 millennia. At that time, people in Iraq, in Babylon, so they used to do that. You've heard about les jardins suspendus de Babel. So the gardens suspended in Babel. So they were served by the same system. That is the old system, Arabic system, and there is a Roman system. The Roman system is aqueducts, suspended aqueducts that used to take the water from Tibet to Rome. Here, the weather is hot, and we don't want water to be evaporated. That's why they come up with the channels and
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise.
so this is what we saw from underneath.
The one with the bucket
Yeah, and this, they go like this to bring
to bring the water up.
not the water, the clay.
The clay.
The clay.
Residue.
Yeah, the residue, because the residue normally it's deprive water to
To flow freely.
flow. Exactly. That's why they need to clean it from every while and then. So that's why we have many of those stuff. And this is the technique used back then because it's simple.
Practical.
Yeah, practical to bring up about that old system. That old system nowadays, because they sit down around, unfortunately, and they stop to do so. Because in Marrakesh we sit down 100 years ago, and here is like 3 decades ago they start to sit down. Okay, that's why the Khottara system is not applicable, and it's not applicable anymore. That's why now they have pipelines, other pipelines, and they have water. So and they can dig wells as well.
The modern way.
Exactly. In Merzouga, it's part of Moroccan hospitality. Whenever you go in Morocco, they will give you some tea. And this is, they give it to you, just take it, because it's taken. For if you don't take it,
It's an insult.
exactly. It's gonna be like a kind of, and people honor you by giving you some tea. So it's you don't expect to give them something in return.
This is the kind of hospitality.
Yeah,
Ako na
this is part
mag-explain.
of Moroccan culture.
Ikaw na lang.
Ako na lang tour guide.
Al-Malik. Oh. So, as you can see here in this picture, this
Mercy
is
dyan.
the Moroccan
Mercy. No.
monarch, the king of Morocco, the current king. When he came to see this place because he was received by this guy. So, the We saw with the blue dress.
The bungles.
What's that?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was a day